Okay, so I don't know if you've been paying attention to what's going on in sublimation and the tumbler world, but these 3D effect tumblers have been making the rounds this week. I've seen a ton in sublimation. I went on Creative Fabrica and found a couple images. These two are actually from a 20-piece set. I will put the link to that down below if you're interested. But these are the 2 out of the 20 I picked to start. And I'm going to, because I printed these at home, and I'll show you what I printed them on. I printed them on my Htvront Printable vinyl sticker paper for inkjet and laser printers, matte white. I printed them on matte at a high setting. And I print on an Epson EcoTank 2803. So that is all the pertinent information there. I have a lot going on. I have a lot of cups made and in flux, but I wanted to get these ones done just because right now this style of tumbler is hot, and I want to show that it doesn't just have to be for the sublimation world. I thought about doing one sublimation and one epoxy, but I really didn't want to fire up my sub press just to do one cup. So I'm going to do 2 with epoxy. Because this is matte vinyl, if you use this, I always recommend lifting an edge and making sure you're printing on the right side, because they are very, very similar in feel. So, and I think I'm going to do this one this way. So I'm going to dry fit it. And I should have sized these down a tiny bit because they're just going on the bare cup. But these are sized, this set of files, to this standard 9.3 by 8.2. I did cut it down a little bit shorter than 8.2, as I always do, but I did leave the width at the 9.3. So, in an upcoming video, I mentioned this. Viewer sent me this. Stacy, thank you so much. She sent it to me from Amazon off my wish list. And I am excited to try it on full wraps. So, again, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it so, so much. This should make everything so much easier. Just being able to make one pass with a wide squeegee. And this is super duper soft on this one. But yeah, that is absolutely flawless, bubble free, unreal. Thank you, game changer. And the other one, I'm getting glitter on everything. My table is covered in glitter because I am still working on that set of 3 Be Kind tumblers. So, I'm having a bit of a slow week. Let's just put it that way. My production is way down, and I have a lot of other videos that I need to release as well as just cups. So, I'm not quite sure what I'm doing. This one I did cut a little bit shorter, the bottom. So, but not bad, not bad, not bad. So at this point, you can finish your bottoms however you want. You can glitter them, you can alcohol ink them, you can leave them stainless. Okay, so I'm gonna delete the whole part where I inked the bottom of these because I really, really hate it now that it's done. So we're going to shift gears and do something different. I'm just going to go ahead and take Mod Podge and we are going to glitter the butts. I'm just going to try and be super duper careful about where I get my Mod Podge when I come up the side. I'm going to use periwinkle on this one. I think. Keep changing my mind. Actually, I think I'm going to use this one, which I can't get anymore, but or that. It's basically the same color, but this one's finer. So this is Luscious Lavender from Glitter and Pixie Dust. Yeah, that's a good match, actually. I'm just dipping it. It's not going to hurt anything. So that'll be it for that one. I'm gonna let the Mod Podge dry thoroughly. I'm gonna grab a brush and dust off the rest of the glitter. You know, if I knew where my chip brushes were, that'd be fabulous. This is part of the problem with cleaning. I thought I still had a cup full of them, but I don't. Okay. So I'm going to pick this up, and then I'm going to do the same with this, but I'm going to use Sun Shower, which was a limited edition from It's Pretty Personal, so I don't know if this is even available because I think it came in a subscription box or a monthly box or something. Okay, so I'm just going to put a quick coat of polyacrylic on these to seal in the glitter. I don't want to take them outside and clear coat them because I don't know what the spray sealer would do to this particular vinyl printed in this manner. So I'm going to let those dry and then we will get the epoxy on. Okay, so we're going to finish these two up. I'm recording from an awkward position, sorry. Just how this one's going to work. I have to kind of like hug the tripod or the phone stand, whatever, when I record over here. And I don't have a ring light for this one. But you'll see how the colors really pop once the epoxy gets on. So there we go. That is it. 2 of the 3D effect tumblers under epoxy. Everybody I've seen doing these is just doing them with sublimation. You do not have to have sublimation equipment to do these. I just wanted to bring you down. There's that pink bottom and the blue bottom. And I'm not going to stripe these even at any point. I just think they're perfect as is. And again, I will put a link to the set of these down below if you're interested in trying them. But these two are stunning. So that is it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.